It's Will here with the XAUUSD.com, and welcome to my first video of 2023. And today's video we're just going to go over a trade I just posted to my trading view profile. It's on the Aussie US dollar, and I'm going to explain to you in this video why I am waiting to sell this pair on the correct signal. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the video. So this is the idea. Okay, if you want to go over and have a read, you can just search the FX Ace on TradingView and you'll be able to see the reasons behind the setup. Okay, so basically what I'm going to show you now is why I'm looking to sell this pair. Okay, so if you just get the AUD USD up, okay, and I'm just going to delete all the drawings and we'll just start fresh, okay, from where we are now here. Okay, so boom, boom. Okay, so as you know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, if you haven't, I trade the markets from a top-down approach. Basically, I look for levels on the higher time frames. Basically, the monthly and the weekly is where I look for my levels, and then I use the lower time frames, preferably the daily and the 4-hour, and I'm trading view here from the 4-hour chart up to the daily chart, and wait for signals to enter the market, evidence of price action slowing down, and I use my TRFX King indicator, which is this one here, to let me know. And you can see we're actually getting the sell signal on this today. It's the first time I've looked at that. Okay, so we're probably getting ready to sell that today. Okay, so let's start. Okay, monthly charts. Okay, first off, you want to know where price has been in the past. Okay, where we're coming from, and obviously we're coming from this. 1 second. Okay, we're coming from this huge monthly zone down here. Okay, this was created in 2020 when we had the crash down. Okay, and you can see prices came down. We've got the huge reaction of this area. Okay, it just shows you how valid this area was and was the area the price was targeting. Okay, so we are now approaching another key area in the chart. We'll come to the top of it, is this area here. Okay, let me see. Measure. Okay. Okay, this area here. Okay, this was the last monthly sell zone that was created, and now we're at that area now. Okay, so if we get, just delete that. Dun, dun, dun. If we mark the zone, okay, we're in a monthly zone, and okay, there we are there. Okay, this is the level. Sorry, no. Sorry, delete that. This is the level just below that, which is here. Okay. You can see this was the swing high that caused this swing low to get the test. Okay, so what we want to do now is zoom in to the lower time frames, the lower time frame, which is the weekly. Okay, and as we see on the weekly, we can clearly see this huge untested weekly area here. Okay, this is when the market started to, basically the leg start to the last leg in the previous downtrend. Okay, next we can see a resistance. Okay, this is where the market is clearly targeting. Okay, you can see here. Nice resistance there at 71. Okay, well, I'll just delete that because it's a lot clearer now. Okay, you can see we've got the level, and then we have this nice resistance here. Okay, we're going to get a reaction here. Okay, and where we're targeting, I do expect the market to go back up longer term. Okay, if we look at the maybe up towards the 76 area, but before that, as you know, the market's ebb and flow. Okay, so expect a pullback and then a rally. Okay, the pullback, there's two areas where the pullback is likely to target, and once we get the entry signal. Okay, first is the previous high in the current uptrend. Okay, which is here. Okay, that was the previous swing high in the previous downtrend that got taken out also in this uptrend, but it also is a nice area for the first easy target, which is at 769. Okay, and then we have the newly formed weekly, newly formed just color code that. Okay, newly formed weekly demand zone, buy demand zone, whatever you want to call it. Okay, it's just basically an area on the chart where price has taken off from before. Okay, why I like looking at the higher time frame charts, because moves like this are not caused by average retail traders, not even small prop firms. These are large institutions, banks that are pushing these prices up here. Okay, the markets don't move like this much based on this is like trillions of dollars behind these moves, or sorry, billions of dollars, probably hundreds of billions of dollars behind these moves. Okay, that pushes this market up. So it tells you this is kind of areas where the large banks and institutions are buying, and it's the kind of area where they're selling up here. Okay, where we are at now. So I said the path is and then up. Okay, down to here, or here, and then up. Okay, longer term, I do expect a move up to these higher time frames up here. So what you were expecting, sorry, pull back down towards this area here, and then some reason my a longer term move, take out these highs up towards the 74 to 76 area. Okay, and you can see that's also a nice weekly level. Okay, so entry signal on this, again, I'm as per the post, I'm waiting for my TRX indicator, FX indicator, to give me a signal on a time frame from the 4-hour to the daily. See, we're getting these signals. This is the first time I checked this today. This is time to enter this trade, by the way. Okay, 8-hour signals just happening now too. So all the signals are happening on the time frames that we're looking at. So this is a good time to, and there's a 12-hour signal too. So every single time frame from the 4-hour up is given an entry signal. So now is the time to take this trade. Stop loss will be, you want it really above these zones, maybe around the 73 area. First easy target is 69, and then the second target is down towards 67. Okay, again, you can head over to my TradingView profile. Okay, and you can actually read this up. I'm about to also post an entry signal on this. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. If you want to get access to all my trading signals, you can simply click the link below. And yeah, don't forget to like and comment. Follow my profiles, and I shall see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Well over to fxaus.com.